Hey, what's up, Pittsburgh? I'm Gene with Dent Repair Now. We're a paintless dent repair company. We're located right on Campbell's Run, just outside of downtown, right next to the Parkway. Everybody knows that paintless dent repair is great for fixing little door dings and minor dents like that. Today, I want to show you some of what is possible with bigger, crazier damage. We pride ourselves in being Pittsburgh's specialist when it comes to large dent, paintless dent repair. Check out some of these examples. If you have damage that looks like that you think might be a candidate, visit our website at dentrepairnow.com, or you know what? Shoot a text to Jennifer at 724-554-1756. She'll walk you right through the process, help you qualify. Yes, we can fix it. You do need a body shop. Make sure you let us take a look at it. Come and check us out. I hope to get to meet you pretty soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.